Now shifting focus, today in West Bengal, thousands are gathering to solemnly mark the first anniversary of the brutal rape and murder that took place at Arjigarh Medical College, rocking the nation on August 9th last year. In fact, in a powerful show of unity and remembrance, the Namanna Abhiyan March to the State Secretariat is set for today. It's backed by victims' parents and the BJP as the call for justice for Abhaya continues to resonate deeply with people. Now, across Kolkata and Bengal, protest rallies are echoing the same heartfelt demand for accountability, for change and for a safer tomorrow. Now, this evening, a massive torchlight march will also take place from College Square to Sham Bazaar. It will be led by West Bengal Junior Doctors Forum, the very group that championed the fight for Abhaya's justice last year. Now, viewers, doctors, students, citizens from all walks of life are standing together in West Bengal today. They are united in grief and hope as similar marches and protests are also planned throughout the week, keeping alive the call that no tragedy like this should ever be forgotten or in fact repeated. Meanwhile, security has also been tightened with heavy barricades set up across the state. And this is ahead of the march after the court gave the go-ahead despite opposition from the state as well as city police. Now, BJP in the state has slammed the state government for its stance against the marches planned today. In fact, Amit Malviya in a post on X called out the state government for its lack of compassion and for rolling out guardrails, water cannons, all to stop what? Ordinary citizens. This is the latest tweet from BJP's Amit Malviya. And visuals on your screen showing you the marches being carried out in the state of West Bengal. It's marking the 1 year of the brutal rape and murder case that took place at Arjigarh Medical College. And today, even after 1 year, the calls remain same. People are asking for accountability, they are asking for justice for the victim. Several rallies have been planned throughout the day to mark the first year of this. And the call is same, that no tragedy like this should ever be forgotten or in fact repeated. Doctors, students, citizens from all walks of life, they're standing together and they're united in their grief and hope. Grief for the victim and hope that such incidents will not get repeated. Now, when we talk about the specific details, this evening a massive torchlight march will light the way from College Square to Sham Bazaar. It will be led by West Bengal Junior Doctors Forum. Remember, this is the very group that championed the fight for Abhaya's cause last year.
डिमांड तो एक है, सीबीआई आप जवाब दीजिए कब आप सप्लीमेंट्री चार्जशीट देंगे। संदीप घोष टाला थाना ओसी के खिलाफ कब सप्लीमेंट्री चार्जशीट आएगा। जो लार्जर कॉन्स्पिरेसी का बाद ये सीबीआई बोला था हम लोग को, वो सीबीआई कब हम लोग को जस्टिस देगा। 1 साल हो गया, कब वो जस्टिस देगा।
देखिए, 1 साल बाद फिर से मसाल जाना पड़ रहा है, रास्ते में रहना पड़ रहा है, यही सबसे लज्जा का विषय है। 1 साल हो गया, अभी तक जस्टिस नहीं मिला। जो लोग इसके साथ जड़ित, जो लोग इसके साथ इस घृण अपराध के साथ जो लोग इन्वॉल्व थे वो अभी घूम रहा है।
हमारी डिमांड क्लियर है, अभया का न्याय विचार। आज 1 साल बाद भी अगर रास्ते में खड़े होकर अभया का न्याय विचार मांगना पड़ रहा है तो इससे खराब हमारे लिए और कुछ, इससे दुख की बात हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं सकती है।